Welcome back to RenovationX, your ultimate guide to stunning home makeovers and renovation tips that add value to your space. In today's episode, we're diving into something that makes or breaks the look of your home: floors. Yes, flooring plays a massive role in setting the tone of any interior, and when it comes to the best in style, durability, and luxury, Dubai has got some incredible flooring solutions to offer. Think about it, every step you take in your home is on a surface that should be beautiful, comfortable, and long-lasting. Whether you're renovating your dream villa, upgrading your apartment, or working on a commercial project, flooring is one of the most important decisions you'll make. But it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Today, we're simplifying it for you by showcasing the best flooring options available right here in Dubai. We'll walk you through the latest trends, discuss which materials work best for Dubai's unique climate, and share expert tips to help you make the right choice. And of course, we'll highlight why RenovationX recommends these solutions to ensure you achieve that perfect balance of style, durability, and functionality. So, make sure you stay tuned till the end. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to choose the ideal flooring solution for your next project. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Part 1: Why flooring is important. Let's begin by understanding why flooring is such an essential aspect of any renovation. Imagine walking into a luxurious Dubai villa with marble floors that glisten under the lights, or stepping into a cozy apartment with warm wooden flooring that makes you feel right at home. Flooring not only impacts the aesthetic but also the functionality and comfort of your space. Here are some quick points by RenovationX.ae to consider. Your flooring sets the tone for your interior design. Dubai's climate can be tough on certain materials, so choosing the right flooring is crucial. Some floors are easier to clean and maintain, which is essential for busy lifestyles. Now, let's dive into the best flooring solutions Dubai has to offer. Part 2: Top flooring solutions in Dubai. Dubai is home to some of the world's best flooring suppliers like RenovationX.ae. Let's go over the top options you should consider. Marble flooring. Perfect for adding a touch of luxury, marble is one of the most popular choices in Dubai. It's durable, elegant, and ideal for both modern and classic interiors. Pros: timeless, luxurious look, great for hot climates. Cons: requires maintenance to avoid staining. If you're going for a grand, upscale look, marble is a fantastic choice. RenovationX recommends using polished marble for high-end villas. Wooden flooring. For those who prefer a cozy and warm atmosphere, wooden flooring is a top contender. Pros: natural look, adds warmth to interiors. Cons: needs proper care to maintain. In Dubai, engineered wood is a better option than solid wood due to humidity levels. Vinyl flooring. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, durable option, vinyl flooring is worth considering. Pros: affordable, water-resistant, easy to maintain. Cons: doesn't have the natural appeal of wood or marble. Vinyl is perfect for commercial spaces or rental properties where cost-effectiveness and durability are key. Porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles are incredibly popular in Dubai due to their durability and variety. Pros: water-resistant, durable, available in many designs. Cons: can feel cold underfoot. RenovationX suggests using large format tiles to make your space look bigger and more elegant. Part 3: Flooring tips for Dubai's climate. Dubai's hot and humid climate plays a huge role in flooring choices. Here are some expert tips from RenovationX. Avoid materials that can warp or swell in humidity. Opt for light-colored flooring to reflect heat. Choose materials with high durability to withstand sand and dust. Part 4: RenovationX recommendations. At RenovationX, we believe that your flooring should be a perfect balance of style and functionality. Here's a quick summary of what we recommend. Go for marble or porcelain tiles. Wooden or vinyl flooring, vinyl or porcelain tiles for cost-effectiveness. And remember, a good flooring solution is an investment that pays off in both aesthetic value and longevity. That's all for today's episode of RenovationX. We hope you found these tips helpful in choosing the best flooring solution for your space. Remember, your floors are the foundation of your interiors, so make them count. But before you go, let's quickly recap what we discussed today. From luxurious marble to budget-friendly vinyl, each option has its pros and cons, and choosing the right one depends on your style, needs, and Dubai's unique climate. We'd love to hear from you. Which flooring option caught your attention? Are you planning a renovation project soon? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you want, our team can give you a free flooring consultation according to your space. Contact now at 0488 28933. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications bell. It's the best way to stay updated with our latest renovation tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for daily renovation inspirations and behind-the-scenes content. We're always sharing something exciting with our RenovationX community. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay inspired, stay stylish, and keep renovating with RenovationX. Until next time, take care and keep creating spaces you love. See you soon.